How to enable or disable group by conversation in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage, go to gear icon on the right side. Okay, click the gear icon and go to settings. Here in left side, okay, you can see here the viewing email. Okay, go to this. And viewing email, you can see here the group by conversation. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And the group by conversation is enable or turn on. If this enable, message within an email thread will be grouped together. And if you want to disable the group by conversation, you'll have to do is switch off or disable the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully disabled. And if you want to enable again the group by conversation, you'll have to do is switch on or enable the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled group by conversation in Yahoo Mail on computer.